Hi, my name is Jennifer Castillo, and I'm a teacher for the deaf and hard of hearing, and I'm going to be showing you the Oticon Amigo FM system and how it operates. This part is the transmitter or the teacher's microphone. It has a clip on the back. I can also give you a lanyard to wear with it, or you can clip it onto the top of your pants or in a pocket. I've even seen teachers put it on their shoulder, which isn't the safest place, because if they are dropped, which they are dropped several times, they will break. The microphone has a cord with a clip on it, and you need to wear it about 6 inches from your mouth. I usually do the hang loose sign from the bottom of my chin to kind of establish how far to put it from my mouth, so that it picks up. When you are putting it on your lapel, be sure there is a clear path from your mouth to the microphone. So if you clip it like this, see how the microphone's like this, if you clip it like this, then your clothing's interfering with it. Make sure that it's free away from keys, lanyards, jewelry, anything that could be hitting this will transmit to the student. So make sure that that's a clear path. To turn it on, you just press there's a top button here. You press down, and this will show you what channel this particular unit's on. Depending on the student, we have to sync the channel of the transmitter to the receivers. If you need to pause it, you simply click it once, and that mutes it. It's muted now, and so when you're not addressing the student, you can easily mute it. And then when you turn it again, it'll be operating again. This is the teacher's system, and that's basically all you have to do. There's no volume to turn it up and down or whatever, but that's yours. The student depending on if the student's traveling from class to class, they may give this to you and ask you to use it, and then you can check it out. If the student's old enough to tell you or will report to you if it's working or not, you can ask them, or you could go into the back of the room and just kind of whisper their name or tell them to do something and see if they respond. And so those are kind of tricky ways to make sure that they have it on and it's useful. So this is the teacher's microphone. The student wears one of two things. They either have a device that looks similar to this that plugs directly into their hearing aid or onto their, they may have a comm pilot that plugs into the bottom. And this is what transmits this microphone to their hearing aids. These devices, we're working on training each student. The older students should be able to be independently putting them on and off. Younger students need to have assistance sliding them on, and is something I'm going to have to show you how to do. Another device they could be using is this. This is called an arc. They can change the color, so some of them may have different colors, but it's a loop system where they attach it around their neck and wear it. There's two ways to utilize this. They can either use it with headphones, which there's a headphone jack right here that they plug in and directly input into their ears. This is for students who have hearing losses that may not have hearing aids. They can use it that way, or it can connect directly to their hearing aids. When they're wearing this around their neck, there is an internal thing, it's like a Bluetooth, that will connect to the Amigo Arc. For them to turn it on, they just need to press this button on the side, and it turns on. When there is a connection made, when there's a transmitter and this is connected, both of these lights should be on. I don't believe this one is set up. This one is not set up right now to receive. It's not on the same. Oh, yes, it is. And so you can see where both of these lights go on at the same time. This shows you that they are connected. The only problem you may have with these devices is, for some reason, sometimes they become out of sync. And so therefore, and if that happens, you need to just hold these semi-close together with this, or with, it works the same with the little boot or receiver that is put on the hearing aid, and it has to be directly inputted into the hearing aid. You hold it about 4 to 6 inches, or 4 inches is better, and you press a connect button. There's a connect button in the middle, and it will look for the device and connect. And you sometimes have to play around with it, move it around a bit, but hopefully it will connect. And those are the basics for using the Amigo FM, Oticon Amigo FM system. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me, and I'll be happy to come out and help you with this. Thank you, and also I'll be by to check and make sure to see if you have any questions in using the device. Thanks.